this is just the beginning. That's the good news. We weren't expecting this actually. We're expecting like at least we get 2 weeks what was expected. That was raised last year. But we have actually gone beyond that. So like 114% increase, and that's a great news for everybody. And that's why, on behalf of my whole Pizza Hut family, Taco Bell, and KFC, of course, for Young, thank you. Maraming pong salamat. And if only I can make a movie out of my own experience, maybe you would know what I'm talking about. But eventually, yes. But siguro, dadating tayo dyan. But first things first, this is the most important thing that we have to do. There are a lot of children out there who are hungry. And these children have, big potential. I wouldn't have expected to be here, to be an endorser of Pizza Hut, or get like some big projects. You call us one of the, actors in the Philippines, blah, blah, blah. But it's really, kung hindi ako nakatawid dun sa part na yun, I won't be here. And I'm very thankful to all those people who have helped me. And now I'm just telling you guys, we are here for a very important mission, and that's the reason why we're all here. Because nagsisimula pa lang tayo. And we don't want to lose this opportunity because that's all they have. All these children have big dreams and big hope. Pag nawala sa kanila yan, that's it. Pero I myself have experienced it. And I told myself, oh, so there's still a lot of people who are concerned and willing to help. So I can make it. And so here I am right now. Thank you, everyone. So this is just the beginning, just like I said. Thank you very much.